Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Our word of the day is biscuit. Yes, biscuit, an A2 level noun meaning a small baked snack. We all love a good biscuit, don't we? So, what exactly is a biscuit? Well, it's a small, usually flat and round baked treat, often made from flour, fat, and sometimes sugar. It's something you might enjoy with a cup of tea or coffee. Now, let's look at some words similar to biscuit. We have cookie, which is often used interchangeably, especially in the United States, but sometimes it's a little sweeter or has chocolate chips. For example, I bought a pack of chocolate chip cookies at the store. Another similar word is cracker, which is a drier and often salter baked snack. For instance, she spread cheese on a cracker for a quick snack. Let's explore words with the opposite meaning, also known as antonyms. Antonyms of biscuit could be things like a whole meal, which is much larger and more substantial than a biscuit. After a long day at work, I needed a proper meal, not just a small snack. Another antonym could be drink, which is something you consume, not something you eat. For instance, I'll have a drink of water before we leave. Now, how can you use biscuit in your daily life? You might say, I'm having a biscuit with my 3 p.m. tea, or can I offer you a biscuit? If someone asks you what you had for your afternoon snack, you might respond, I ate a biscuit. Another example could be when you go to a restaurant and they bring out a basket of bread or biscuits. Let's look at usage in sentences and phrases. We might say, the biscuit was crunchy and delicious. Another example is, she dipped her biscuit in her milk. Or, would you like another biscuit? I'm going to bake some biscuits today. To summarize, biscuit is an A2 level noun that means a small baked snack, and it's something that many people around the world enjoy. Remember, its synonyms include cookie and cracker, and its antonyms include meal or drink. I hope you've enjoyed learning about this word today. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word. If you found this episode helpful, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. And don't forget to create your own sentence using biscuit and share it in the comments below. We'd love to see what you come up with.